And the first one is, let's do that again. Hi, my name is Dan Wolf and I write songs. I'm going to answer some questions from this little pot here that looks a bit like a travel sweet container. First one is music heroes. Everyone's got loads, but my three main ones are Jimi Hendrix, Kurt Cobain and Bob Dylan. The guitar playing, and the lyrics. Okay, number two, use 3 words to describe your music. Intense, passionate, melancholy. Number 3, piece of gear you can't part with. That's my Fender Telecaster, belongs to my brother who's deceased. Number 4, which album do you recommend from the last few years? I recommend an album that's coming out soon, and it's by Eyes Like the Sky, and it's called Autumn Loop, and it's great. I'm not just saying that because I work with the guy, it's absolutely great. Number 5, what are your experiences with the Brighton music scene? Intense, passionate, melancholy. I'm going to tell you what, there's loads of open mics, so if you think you can write songs or you want to get an act together, it's here for you. I tell you, most provincial towns do not have this level of access to various audiences. For other stuff, there's loads of variation, loads of different kinds of bands. You can see anything pretty much any night of the week. And again, I don't think there are many towns you can say that for, so yeah, Brighton's great for music.
Something quick to say, yeah. Something quick, so deranged then. What do you do when you throw your life away? Is it the same thing as a drunk watching it all slip to a drain coat of misery? Seek other things to see. I told you so to drain coat of misery. Seek other things to see. I told you so too. Told you so too. I told you so. You felt like everyone around you, like Vincent lying in a field. Just like them, some of them, they're hollow. Maybe the kind of audience, the ones you're on your bloody knees. If you please, we paid our ticket money. to you.